Hey guys, I'm here to walk through the bacteria lab with you. We're going to be doing this on Thursday. Please watch this video. I'll have it posted in the assignment thing to do as well. And make sure you join us on Thursday if you have questions on the live stream. Okay. Here's the assignment sheet that we're going to be working through, and then this is the actual lab link that you're going to be working through as well. So the first thing, yawning, tired this morning. The first thing you're going to be reading the background here, just a couple paragraphs. It talks about bacteria. Make sure that you've done the bacteria discussion before you do this. There's kind of a pre-assessment that kind of wants you to, it asks you about bacteria if you think it's always good or always bad. So read through this. And then it has our objectives, what we're going to be able to do. We're going to be able to describe how bacterial cultures are grown and investigated in the laboratory, and then determine the effectiveness of antibiotics and antiseptics in inhibiting the growth of bacterial cultures. So inhibiting means like slowing down or stopping the growth of bacteria. Okay, so this is the procedure on here, and I basically have put it on this as well, so make sure that you're kind of reading both. I definitely put it on here for you to walk through, so if you would like to have the two windows open, that might be beneficial. So to start on here, it says inoculate the agar in the Petri dish. The agar is just like the gel stuff that's in the Petri dish, and this is a Petri dish. So you're going to do this with each type of bacteria. So you'll do it with the Staphylococcus, the Haemophilus influenza, so this is the flu, and then Streptococcus pneumonia here. So if you want to grab this one, you just click on it, and it's going to take out the bacteria, and it's going to swab it on your agar plate for you. And then you're going to choose each one of these 7 paper discs and drag it to the plate. You're going to do this until you get all 7 of them. Doesn't matter what order, just matters that you drag them. So when you have your 7 pieces of paper disc in there, you're going to put it into the agar, or not the agar, the incubator here. Okay, and then you're going to click the on button, and it's going to run for 24 hours. Okay, then you're going to pop it out, and you're going to look at your different zones of inhibition. So what these are these are the zones around the disc that do not have bacteria growing around them. Okay, so the brown spots where you can see clean agar plate, that is going to be the zone of inhibition, and then the blue is going to be the bacteria. And what you're going to be measuring with your ruler is the diameter of these zones. Okay, so from left to right for each one of these. Okay, and then it says use the ruler to measure the diameter and record it in the data table. There is a data table here, but you're going to be doing the data table down here. I made the same one, so you could just type in this one. Okay, so I'll do the first one with you. We're going to do the bacterial soap, because obviously the control did not work at all. Okay, so if we measure the zone of inhibition, it's going to be in millimeters. So we drag it over here, and we measure starting from 0, guys. And I would say that's about 14 millimeters. Okay, so then what you do, you come back to antibacterial soap, and you put 12 millimeters. I can put the paper disc numbers on here. I will do that so you guys know when you're measuring. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so you're going to do that with each one. Okay, make sure you put the label on there too. That's in millimeters. And you're going to do that for each one, okay? So when you do a Staphylococcus, you're going to measure each one, go down the list, put that in millimeters. Then you're going to click reset, and it will magically go away. Then you're going to start with the Haemophilus influenza, and they'll swab that. And then you're going to put on your paper discs again. They don't have to be in the same order. Just make sure you know which numbers are which. Okay? Let's go back up here. Then you're going to record your data in the data table. Make sure you screenshot each bacteria plate and post your result in the document. Okay? So if I wanted to take a screenshot, I should have left that one. Here, I'll just do this quick. Let's just put that one on there, throw it in there. You'll have to do it with all these, but I'm just going to do this quickly. Turn it on. And then you're going to push Control-Shift-4 on your Chromebook and drag. Make sure it has the name up there too. Drag it like that. And then it took a screenshot. Okay, and it should pop up down in your right-hand corner. But if it doesn't, it should be in your recents in your file. If you're having trouble finding out how to do that, please email me and let me know, and I can definitely help you with that as well. Okay, so reset. And then if I wanted to add that, I'm going to add a spot down here for pictures, Petri dishes. Cannot spell today. Okay. So then I would go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and then I would click my screenshot there, and there it is. Okay. If you guys don't know how to move pictures, I know some people struggle with that, I click the Wrap Text button, and then you're able to easily make it smaller and move it very easily compared to having it the other way. So have the name in there, and then you'll be able to post that picture with the label on there. And you'll want that because you're going to be having to answer some journal questions. So if you go down to here where it says journal, this has 5 questions here. Okay. What I would do is you can either type in here and then screenshot your answer, like I showed you how to screenshot the plate, or you can type the question in your document, or you can write these in your notebook and take a screenshot of it and then upload that picture as well. So that is number 12 here. Okay, so you can, one more time, you can either type in here for each question and screenshot your answers and then upload the picture like I did with the Petri dish to your document, or you can write it in your notebook and take a picture and upload that to here, or you can type the questions and then type in your document. Unfortunately, you can't copy and paste from that website. I already tried it. But yeah, so make sure that you're doing that. If you wanted to label it like conclusion questions or journal questions down here underneath your pictures, please do that. Okay. Please make sure that you reach out to me if you have questions, and make sure that if you want to jump on the live stream on Thursday, it'd probably be really beneficial for you guys to do that as we walk through this as a class. One more thing, this microbiology book here, it will tell you about each paper disc, and then each type of bacteria as well. Okay, you will be answering some questions on that, so make sure that you kind of know what those things are as well.